Once I wanted to flip my car with a huge balloon. Who does not believe that? I succeeded. Click the link in the top corner to see that. So today I want to check what will happen if I inflate the same huge balloon inside the car. How do you think? What's gonna happen this time? And you know what? Let's check it now. Looks like everything is ready, and let's do that. And that's not even half it could do. Okay, looks like no backseat passengers for now. Well, at least it's not cracking. Just no. Okay, we can do more, I believe. One and a half hours later. Just don't touch this. And then we just got tired. Actually, that was really unexpected, so we kind of freaked out. And just look at all this stuff here in the car and all these damages that weren't here before. Just check this trunk. I really need to do something with my car this year, because it's tired of me and my experiments with it. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.